When I talk about life planning, I want to remind everyone that there are a variety of sort of tools and techniques available to help advise people in our community when they choose not to be married. We're going to talk in a bit about whether to get married, but when people choose not to get married but still co-own property, it's a good idea to have a co-ownership agreement. Because if the wheels come off the wagon and someone wants to leave or sell the property, absent a written agreement, remember statute of frauds, agreements about property have to be in writing. There are no enforceable contractual obligations around rights of first refusal to buy or who has to pay the mortgage. And of course, people gloss over these things when they're happily getting together. But remember that most mortgage terms apply on a joint and several basis. I can't tell you how many times I've had a gay couple come to see me where one has left and said, you know, he used to pay half the mortgage and he's not paying it anymore. And I'm getting these notices from the bank. Well, guess what? Joint and several liability. You need to think about joint ownership agreements if people choose not to be married. We used to do a lot more of the domestic partnership agreements back when marriage was not an option. We see fewer of those now, but they are still valid agreements. And as long as they are not for an unlawful purpose, like for sex only, you can contract to your respective rights and responsibilities in terms of not only owning a home, but your lifestyle stuff. So if I'm going to pay for the kitchen renovation, then I want to have rights to increased equity in the house if we sell it. Or if I want to, I don't know, pay for taxes and utilities, maybe we get grossed up at the sale. So all of those things are dealt with in joint ownership agreements. Similarly, when you're in business together, buy-sell agreements, that's relevant when couples own second vacation homes that are often vacation businesses. And of course, you know, prenups. People are together for years and years and years because they couldn't get married. And then all of a sudden they can get married and their assets may be very different. It's incumbent on the advisor to talk to them about whether they want to do a prenup or not. And again, outside of the scope of this presentation, but in the life planning issues are all the assisted reproductive technology issues and parental right stuff that flows from that.